Hi, let's talk about Nikola. It's a company that designs and manufactures battery electric and hydrogen electric vehicles. Full information should not consider investment advised. The company itself is pretty big, 3.8 billion, and yeah, there's a risky and some of the good news that the revenue is forecasted to grow over 58% per year. But there's a bunch of risks. So pretty much I can compare the in the one word, it's a volatile share. So yeah, the latest share price dropping since the last July, and as we can see, it had a peak of somewhere around $65 per share in last year's June, and since then it's dropping uh, every every week, every month, and currently is down by 82%. So for those who entered somewhere around here are made pretty much profit of, oh yeah, 500%. But as you can see, there's in this kind of volatile share price, I recommend highly not to enter with whole money, or at least you're buying 1% of your portfolio. So this could hurt a lot of people, and that's why it's you got to be careful with those stocks. And that's not the only one stock that making like these kind of movements since the last year. Somewhere around June and July, many companies made day peaks, and currently they are down. Not as this much, but there's a companies that are 90% down, 30% down. For example, one of my positions, I'm down like 22% currently, and yeah, diversify by time, diversify by industry, diversify by the portion of your portfolio. Anyway, market performance, we can see here that the returns are negative. So 90 days return minus 48%. But yes, long-term price volatility considers lowest. I think that's we see here that currently the midterm is not so good, is going down. The volumes though are getting high like lately, and I think there could be possibilities to raise. And as you can see here in the tip ranks, it has currently the 70% upside valuation, and in good scenarios it could be in a 12 month $30 per share. So there's over 100% upside currently based on tip ranks, and same as the market watch, it has pretty much the same tip ranks, 20.20 and market watch $21.86. And yeah, Simple Wall Street currently didn't calculate the price targets or fair valuation. Future growth 7.9 forecasted annual earning growth. Also, earnings per share is forecasted to grow, but it might become, there's a EPS range, it might become in the profitable in the end of 2025. So there's a 4 years from now past performance. So last year's earnings growth decreased by 277%, and of course it's sad the currently company is unprofitable. On the financial health side, this is pretty good since they have a little bit of the depth, and they do actually print their shares out, so they do have a depth, the cash for expansion or the product updates and so on. And yeah, they're not paying dividends, and insider volumes we see here on the both sides. So there's a individual Trevor Milton that brought the stocks at the max price $33, 1 million in September. then it sells at minus 50% more than he brought. So there's a 50 million, there's 8 million, and of course there's the companies that have been selling. So there's a big company that sold their stocks, 5 million of shares to 137 million. So one of the ventures companies, 51 max price, so pretty lucky. And ownership breakdown, so as you can see, insiders holding almost a third of it, general public 25%, institutions 21.1%, private companies 20%, and public companies 6%. And there's the top shareholders, so Trevor Milton minus 3%, so he have pretty good portion of it. Current valuation 800 million, and there's a, so as I said, there's the companies that have been selling. Vanguard has added, Invesco added, so there's a on both side. So it's usually when someone is selling, so there's a somewhere else someone is buying. And as we can see here, simple safe dividends shows that shares outstanding keep increasing, total sales decreased last 12 months minus 80, and investing.com summarizing this stock for long-term investors as a neutral. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.